Hi everyone, we are Fingers Crossed, an initiative that runs across Asansol and Kolkata. Due to the nationwide lockdown, the entire country came to a standstill. Though the privileged ones stayed back at home, but some had a nightmare awaiting for them. Yes, we are talking about those marginalized people who, with their blood and sweat, build our cities, our homes, our schools, and our hospitals. They leave their villages looking for better opportunities, but now there is no one standing with them. They do not have food, enough water, or even shelter. The most basic necessities are not available with them. When the nationwide heart-wrenching stories were being told on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and even on national television, we at Fingers Crossed decided to step up and help them. Together with Oikantik Foundation Kolkata, we launched an initiative that is Feed the Migrants on 18th of May 2020, and also with the help of the on-ground support from the local authorities staying in Kulti and Barak. Asansol, a city in West Bengal that lies very close to the Jharkhand border. The nearest checkpost is Dubuti checkpost, which is around 25 kilometers from Asansol. As huge number of migrants had started to line up here at the interstate border, as the borders were closed by now, hence nearly around 3,000 to 400 migrant workers had gathered in the camps provided by the government there. As the numbers were huge, it was really not possible to keep a count, as the people stayed there for around 3 to 5 days before they had to clear the process of COVID-19 testing before being allowed to pass the border. Hence, with the help from the local volunteers working on grounds, we tried to feed as many as we could through our initiative that is Feed the Migrants. Fingers Crossed NGO takes this opportunity to thank all those people who came forward to help these people. A special thanks to Team Oikantik Kolkata for providing us all the support that we needed for these activities. A big thank you, our volunteers and others who came forward and helped us.